Imagine standing on the banks of the River Thames, looking up at the iconic Tower Bridge. The skyline unfolds, revealing this testament to Victorian-era design. This marvel is symbolic of architectural excellence from a different time. Now picture arriving in London on the 26th of May. You find your way your hotel. Take a moment to relax, because tomorrow, the adventure truly begins. On the 27th, embark on a journey through London. From the historic Buckingham Palace to the vibrant Piccadilly Circus, each corner of the city echoes with stories, waiting for you to discover them. The following day, prepare for a change of scenery as you cruise from Dover to Calais, heading towards the city of love, Paris. As the English Channel gives way to the French coast, feel the excitement build. On the 29th, explore Paris from the cobblestone streets of Montmartre to the iconic Eiffel Tower. As night falls, embark on a Seine River cruise, immersing yourself in the city's twinkling beauty. Bid adieu to Paris on the 30th and journey towards Zurich, the heart of Switzerland. The city welcomes you with its pristine lakes and snow-capped mountains. On the last day of May, ascend to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, and stroll through the charming town of Interlaken. The next day, experience the magic of Engelberg, Mount Titlis, and Lucerne, a trifecta of alpine beauty. As June begins, embark on a journey from Zurich to Vaduz and finally Munich. Experience the blend of modernity and tradition in this Bavarian capital. On the 3rd of June from Munich, move towards Wattens and Innsbruck, cities that charm you with their alpine beauty and rich history. The next day, get ready to be mesmerized by the floating city of Venice and the vibrant city of Bologna. From the winding canals to the bustling piazzas, Italy's charm will captivate you. On the 5th, travel from Bologna to the Leaning Tower of Pisa and then to the Renaissance city of Florence. The following day, reach the Eternal City, Rome. Here, visit the Vatican City, the heart of Catholicism and a treasure trove of art and history. On the 7th, tour Rome, from the Colosseum to the Pantheon, and let history unfold before your eyes. On the 8th, bid farewell to Europe and fly back to Kolkata, carrying memories that will last a lifetime. This 15-day tour offers a journey through time, across cultures, and into the heart of Europe. It's not just about the destinations, but also about the journey, the experiences, and the stories that you will carry home. So, reach out to and fro and embark on your dream tour. Because, after all, life is short and the world is wide.